Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you a AI agent that automatically calls leads, qualifies them, and sends back clean data like budget, urgency, and intent. First I'll live demo it and then I'll briefly show you how it is built. So just to go through the flow of the agent, so someone will fill out the form and then the AI will call them and qualify the lead, asking them questions and log everything automatically. This is perfect for agencies or service businesses dealing with inbound leads. So we're going to dive into the live demo. First, we're going to have to fill out this form. So I'll be back with you once I've filled this out. Okay, so we're about to submit the form now, and you're going to see that the AI agent is going to call me. So as you can see, it's processing the data, and you'll see on the phone now, the AI agent is calling me. So we just answer that. Hello.
Hey, this is Riley, an AI agent calling from Vanessa. Is this Ryan with Luxury Cleans?
Yep, this is Ryan from Luxury Cleans.
Great, thank you for confirming. I appreciate you filling out the form requesting a demo. I have a few questions to see if we would be a good fit. Is now a good time to talk?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Thank you, Ryan. To start, could you please tell me a bit more about what specific assistance or solution you are looking for with automation and AI?
I'm just looking to automate the lead follow-up process.
Got it. Automating lead follow-up can definitely streamline operations. Could you share what prompted your interest in the solution now? Is there a specific challenge you're facing or a goal you're aiming to achieve?
Well, I've just got a lot of leads coming in and I'm struggling to follow up with all of them. I feel like I'm losing some revenue there.
Understood. It sounds like managing the influx efficiently could really make a difference. Can you tell me a bit about the urgency of implementing a solution? Are you looking to get started immediately, or is there a specific timeline in mind?
Hopefully by the end of this month.
Thank you for sharing that timeline. Have you had any past experience with automation or AI solutions, or would this be your first time exploring such technologies?
This will be my first time exploring.
Thanks for letting me know. It's great that you're open to exploring new solutions. Do you have a budget in mind for this project? And are you open to paid discovery and consulting sessions after an initial pre-discovery call?
My budget's probably around the 5,000 to 10,000 mark. And in terms of discovery calls, I would like a free demo just to see how it will work in my business first.
Thank you for that information, Ryan. We typically start with a free 30-minute discovery call to assess fit. Following that, our consulting and scoping sessions would be paid, which aligns well with your budget range. I'll pass along your details to our team, and if it's a good fit, someone will follow up with you soon. Okay. Thank you for your time.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, we just got off the call with the AI agent. So it's now processing the data that it just took from the phone call. So we're just going to wait for that to load. It's finished processing the data and it's now adding it to the Google Sheet. So if we go over to the Google Sheet now, it should all be logged. So as you can see, you got the data from when the form was filled out, the name, the email, phone number, request. And then as you can see, we've also got the data from the phone call with the AI agent. So the service interest, motivation, urgency, past experience, budget. And you can see on the status here, it says complete. So callback, this status would be applied if the lead, the phone call is to go through and the lead either doesn't answer, it goes through to voicemail, or the lead says it's not a good time right now and they need to call back another time. And then on here, incorrect phone number. So once the form is filled out, if the number's not correct in the right format, it will log it, all the details from the form, but it will be here, and the team will have to manually follow up with the email or try the number on a different way. So once the form was filled, the agent called me automatically to chase up any needed details to qualify that lead. So it just gives you that information you wouldn't get from a basic form. So before we dive into how it's built, let's take a quick look at this wireframe I built, showing the structure of all of it. So it starts off with a form trigger. This would just be like a webhook to your website, but for the demonstration's sake, we've just used the n8n form node. And then it normalizes the phone number. So yeah, here if the numbers are invalid, it will update the sheet as we already covered, saying the number's incorrect and still logging the details about the lead. But if the call goes through, it will wait for the lead to speak first before qualifying the lead. It will also check if the person on the phone is the lead, ensuring it's not the wrong number. Once that's all confirmed, it will listen, collecting key details that you told it. To collect this, it will loop until all of the details required have been collected. So as you could see when I was on the call with the AI agent, he just kept on going round. And what it was doing was waiting for the status to be ended, so the call to end before moving on. Once all of the data has been collected, it will end the call and log the data into the Google Sheet. So after seeing this, if you want this exact template for free, follow me on the Instagram here and just DM me the words call agents, and I'll send you this full workflow. It will look like this. You'll be able to download the template, and I'll send you a short setup video where you just need to add your own Vapi API keys, and I'll give you this document, and I'll give you this doc which gives you the prompt for the AI agent, and I'll give you a link to this Google Sheet template for you to download.